హాయ్ హలో మై లవింగ్ పీపుల్, వెల్కమ్ టు టుడేస్ ఎపిసోడ్. తెలుగు వారందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. In this episode, today I am going to prepare basic Andhra style tomato curry in simple way and easiest method. The main ingredients for this recipe are tomatoes, onions, green chilies, curry leaves, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt, oil, dry red chili, white urad dal, cumin seeds, chana dal, mustard seeds. In this tomato curry, generally tomato puree is not required, but in my own way I like to add tomato puree to enhance the flavors, but it's optional.
Now take a frying pan and add oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add pinch of turmeric powder. Mustard seeds. Now add cumin seeds, white urad dal, chana dal, now add dry red chilies. Now add curry leaves, and green chilies. Now add chopped onions.
Add salt.
Then saute on medium heat for about 2 minutes until the onions turn slightly soft and pink. Now add chopped tomatoes. You can cook until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy.
Now add tomato puree, and as I said before, this
is optional. Now add red chili powder. Now add water. Now I am going to tell you how to select the right tomatoes from the market. Selecting the right tomatoes is very important. I will show you how to pick up a right tomatoes. When selecting tomatoes at the market, use your nose. Smell the blossom.
While picking up a fresh tomatoes, you want to feel the weight of the tomatoes. You should have a decent weight for a size, almost feeling like heavy. Secondly, heavy tomatoes will also juicy and having a more pulp. You don't want any blemishes and dark spots like these tomatoes.
Please don't choose this kind of tomatoes. Taste the curry. Add more salt if required. Cook until the water gets separated. Always cover your pot if you are trying to keep the heat in. By doing this, liquid will reduce and same time vegetables will get cooked. Yes, it's almost done. Now, take this Andhra tomato curry into a serving bowl. Garnish the curry with the coriander leaves. You can serve this tomato curry with rice and roti.
Thanks for watching today's episode. I'll get back to you with another episode.